This is an emergency action message. At approximately 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, NORAD is tracking 15 ICBM nuclear missiles inbound to the following cities: Orlando, Miami, Pittsburgh, Dover, Newark, Richland, Philadelphia, New York City, Baltimore, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, Boston, Seattle, Detroit. This is an extremely deadly situation. If in your home, move to your basement immediately. The ICBM missiles are expected to strike within the hour. If currently in your vehicle, find a sturdy structure with a below-ground room. Do not stare at the nuclear flash. Massive loss of life is expected. The President of the United States has deployed 35 counter-ICBM missiles and will address the remaining nation after the missiles have impacted. The nuclear fallout is expected to be extremely high. All civil persons should remain below ground until further notice. Keep all radio communication channels clear unless for government agency use. If possible, pack as many food rations as possible to stay alive. Stay tuned. The next emergency message will be a presidential address.